affiliate manager. You can create a affiliate manager and give it to people which have interacted with you, which are your clients, so they can refer you to their contacts and get certain percent off what you're going to get. Brand boards are amazing to do, especially if you're going to build a website, create emails. You can have it ready. You don't have to put every time your colors and everything here. Just go to design kit and create. It's not opening for us right now. Yeah, you can pick something here, but most of you are going to have your own branding already, or you can import from your brand guides. Ads manager, if you're running any ads, you can come here and use this, or you can also start from here and run ads. Prospecting tool is to find other businesses.